Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Caspa itself. If you're enjoying these Caspa updates, smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right into it. So looking at Caspa, I'm sure if you do follow the channel on a regular day-to-day basis, you guys know Caspa has been lagging, against the overall market. Best way to look at it is just take a look at the last 1 week. If you're looking at the last 1 week, you're seeing literally the entire market up double digits. Majority of the market to be specific. But if you're looking at Caspa, it's not even in the green. And that should tell you everything you need to know. The price of Caspa has been lagging against the overall market. And this is what I try to teach you guys and try to show you guys, which of course only the people that truly understand see it. So shout out to you guys, of course. But what has happened though is we're finally seeing a little bit of relief within the price of Caspa. But in a grand scheme of things though, of course right now over the course of the last 2 to 3 weeks, we are seeing a little bit of a lag against the overall market. But Caspa in the bigger, if you look at it from the bigger picture, has been absolutely killing it. And I'm sure obviously the people that follow Caspa on a regular basis know about that. But today it is up about 2.2%. But when I pull out the charts, things will make more sense. Before I do that though, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, 16.86 cents, up 2% over the past 24 hours in USD and 1.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about 4.2 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $66.6 million. But before we get into it, as always, actually I said the disclaimer, so I forgot about that. Anyhow, if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance though, you did see Bitcoin dominance actually picking up traction today. And despite that fact, you're seeing some coins up. You're seeing XRP up. You're seeing Nodcoin, Pepe. Some coins are still managing to stay in the green. Reason why that's the case is because Bitcoin is still seeing more upside. Bitcoin actually hit a new monthly high at 66,000. Last time Bitcoin was at that level was at the beginning of August. So, Bitcoin is looking absolutely amazing. And I think this is, a huge catalyst as to why you are seeing some of these coins actually in green, which is of course really nice to see. But if you're looking at Caspa, I'll tell you what the interesting thing Caspa that has done and that is worthwhile noting. So we actually did see that retest back above to this key resistance once again, pretty much after I would say a week. And we know the importance of this resistance now. I don't really need to introduce this resistance to anyone. You can see we literally retested it, which again is a good thing in my opinion, because we obviously broke out into the 61.8 fib zone, retested the 0.50. But again, this resistance is continuing to show us one thing, and that is none other than that, this is a massive hurdle for the price of Caspa. And I've said this to you guys from the beginning. Literally now, since August, we're approaching October now. Like in about a few days, it's October. So pretty much approaching 2 months since the price of Caspa has not been able to actually close above this key resistance for good. And that is how important this resistance really is. And I've continuously spoke about this. So even though we have seen a little bit of a wick, which is a good sign because of course, like I said, we were lagging over the course of the past few days. But if this is able to turn into support, I do believe this could bring it a little bit more attention towards Caspa. Reason why, again, in terms of an opportunity, if you're looking at just the broader market, and again, this is my own personal opinion, but if you're looking at the broader market, people are making gains right now. People are making gains, and investors tend to look for opportunities, and the opportunity for Caspa is that it hasn't gone up while the overall market has. So are the whales going to think that this could be the next thing to really push back into the 38.2 and start retesting the July highs? Possibly. So I'm looking at it from that standpoint. But the fact that we did get this resistance retested is a good sign. If we're able to break out of this key resistance, I do believe we could actually see Caspa, returning back to its normal price actions that we have seen over the course of the last few days. But of course, we're going to take it one step at a time. That's my own personal opinion and my take. I want to know from you guys, what do you guys personally think about this? Do you guys agree with me? Do you guys disagree? Do you guys think about a total different scenario to play out? Let me know in the comments. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.